Hi, Mike Harris, back from the mountains of Colorado Springs and What in the Law podcast. Today, I want to talk a little bit about specialization and the need to take the proper time to get any of your legal questions answered. I cannot tell you how many times someone says, "Hey, you're a lawyer. I just got a quick question." You usually don't just have a quick question. And there's a number of reasons for that. First is there are so many different areas of the law. I mostly do criminal defense. There are other people who specialize in divorce, some people who specialize in employment law, and so many other areas. And if a lawyer practices in every area, they're probably pretty lousy at all of them too. The fact is, laws are complicated. They are not straightforward very often. They're different from place to place. And even if you know everything in writing, the practice and the local culture are tremendously important in how a case is going to be resolved. So I get these messages all the time, quick DMs, texts, "Hey, I just got a quick question." No, you don't. You need to make sure first it's a lawyer who knows about that area. And secondly, even if it is the right lawyer, you need to spend the proper time. You need to sit down, explain what's going on, what the circumstances are, and know what things are about before you get anything of any sort of use. So just a quick question is not going to happen. And if you get someone who just wants to make you feel good by saying something nice and easy, it's not really going to be of any use for you. Now, it's different in different practice areas and different jurisdictions, but most places in this country, lawyers will either offer a free consultation or a reduced cost consultation. It's worth it. If you have a question that's worth asking a lawyer, that's what the best thing to do is. I personally do free consultations for people who have criminal cases, since that's my area, what I work in. And if you have something, call someone, get the appointment, do it right. So, we got more things to come. See you next time on What in the Law podcast.